Okay, folks. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to bring something into the timeline. And there's a few things to know about this. All right. When you're bringing something into the timeline, all right, double click that. All right. I've got quite a few stuff here that I could bring in. Let's take a look at maybe one of the wide shots. So let's take a look at wide one. All right. So with this, uh, you don't want to just drag it and bring it into the timeline. But instead, what you want to do is you want to create, because this is 24 frames, you want to at least create a 12 frame buffer or handle at the beginning and at the end of where you want to bring this in. So doing this the tedious way, I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? And then I'm going to mark in. All right. So because this is 24 frames per second, I'm going to make this 3 seconds long. But in order to do that, I need to advance by 72 frames. All right. Because you got 24, 48, and then 72. All right. So you could either click on this 72 times, or you could use the shortcut on the keyboard. So in order to do that, the numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the numerical numbers that also correspond to either going forward or going back. So if you hit 1, 1 will bring you back 10 frames, but if you hit 2, 2 will bring you up 10 frames. 3 will bring you back 1 frame, 4 will bring you forward by 1 frame. So for this, I'm going to hit 2 7 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to advance by 2 frames. 1, 2. And then I'm going to mark out. And then I'm going to drag this into the timeline. And it's going to ask me where I want to put this. So I'm going to put this in sequences. I'm going to click OK. And Bob's your uncle. And that's it for this. That's how you pretty much bring a video clip into the timeline.